Everyone wants to sing better, but most beginners don't actually know what to work on. They just keep singing songs over and over, hoping they'll improve. But here's the truth. Good singing is built on specific skills, and once you train those skills, your voice will improve. Build the foundation first. Before any sound comes out, your body must be set correctly. Start with posture. Stand or sit upright. Relax your shoulders. Keep your neck free, no tension, because bad posture restricts your voice. Now, breathing. This is everything. Singing is controlled breathing. Try this. Breathe in gently through your nose. Let your belly expand, not your chest. Then release the air slowly on an S sound. This builds control, and with good breath control, you can hold notes longer, stay on pitch, and avoid a shaky voice. Train your ear. This is one of the most important skills. Many beginners struggle not because of their voice, but because they can't hear pitch properly. And if you can't hear it, you can't sing it. So here's what to do. Play a note on a piano or an app, then try to match it with your voice. Check if you're correct. Do this daily. This is how you fix off-key singing, flat notes, and inconsistent pitch. Start with simple vocal exercises. Don't jump straight into songs. Train your voice first. Start with simple exercises like lip trills, humming, and vowel sounds like ah, eh, e, o, oo. These help warm up your voice, improve your tone, and reduce strain. Control your voice, don't force it. Many beginners try to push or shout to sound powerful, but that damages your voice and creates tension. Instead, use less effort as you go higher. Stay relaxed, let the sound flow. Remember this, good singing is controlled, not forced. Practice slowly. When learning a song, don't rush. Don't just sing from beginning to end. Break the song into parts. Practice slowly. Focus on pitch and clarity, because slow practice leads to faster improvement. Listen to yourself. Most singers don't improve because they don't hear their mistakes. Start recording your voice, then listen back carefully. Ask yourself, am I on pitch? Is my tone clear? Am I straining? This is how you become your own coach. Practice consistently. Improvement doesn't come from random singing, it comes from consistency. Practice for 15 to 30 minutes daily. Focused practice, not just singing songs, because consistency beats talent every time. Common beginner mistakes. Avoid these: shouting high notes, skipping warm-ups, comparing yourself to professionals, and practicing without direction. Note, your voice is not bad, it is untrained. And just like a muscle, if you train it correctly, it will improve. You don't improve by singing songs, you improve by training skills. If you can't hear the note, you can't sing the note. Power in singing comes from control, not force. And your voice is a skill, not a gift reserved for a few. Okay, singers, hope this helps you. Until next time, one mic and happy singing.